So we are at 8:15. I'll slow that down a little bit, see if we can take some of the chatter. Back to our 0. Check it again. Okay, so let's step down another 1/4 inch. And do the exact same thing again. .811, fine. Okay, so let's part. Actually, we have to chamfer our grooves a little bit, then we'll part it off. Feels good, not sharp. I'm going to give that a little polish before I part it off though. Looks okay. So let's finish cutting this off. One fitting. Should work out, I guess. Okay, so let's clean things up and get some grease in there. There's still cutting oil in here, actually. It has some tightness. Will it be more than the PEX tube can handle? One more test with a single O-ring. Let's try that. Well, as expected, a single O-ring cuts the friction by half. Okay, my plan is to run it with one O-ring, and if we wind up with leakage issues, install a second one. So that's sitting right at 5 thou instead of 4 thou according to our plan. at 4 thou, it's a bit tight, and I was thinking that it would be more friction here than the PEX fitting is capable of holding. So we'll loosen it up a little bit and see how it goes. May require a little bit more loosening later, we'll see. Feels good for now. It's not terrible, is it? Are we ready? I'm thinking so. Company. Hey, it's time to go. Oh, just making some threads. Another couple cuts to go in. You're on camera, be careful what you say. I said, you're on camera, be careful what you say. Forewarned is forearmed. Okay, we'll give it a check to see what we have. If this is not justification for buying a thread mic, I don't know what is. It's 1 and 2 inches. Minus our constant of 0.05814. 944, so we're a little under. We were looking for 953. Ah. And I only went 43 of the 46 double dip. Interesting. Not that it's critical, but we're going to cut our female threads to match it anyway. So we're done with this part. The next part now will be the base that this screws into. So let's get this chucked up and get some threads in there. So for our inch 14 57/64 is our tap drill size, or 898 thousandths. We don't have one, so we're going to hit it with the 13/16 and bore it out the size. 897, I'm running with it. And I think I got company coming. Alrighty, so we're set up. We got some high speed in our boring bar, centered up, and check clearance. Set up our dashboard gauge, and everything's ready to go. Let's do it. Yep, looks cool to me. Okay, let's put in some Teflon. Then we can put on our lower section. Grab our freshly threaded bolt. There's not a nut, there's a bolt. This will control the amount of tension needed to rotate the hose assembly. I haven't decided yet whether to just use the Loctite or run a set screw in from the side. Where it's brass, I didn't really want to put a set screw against it, so we may go with the Loctite. We've got the main shaft or the main pipe is done. So we're going to lay this guy in here. So we'll clamp it all up, we'll do some tacks on the welds, both sides, finish welding it up, and we're pretty much done. Okay, so we're all welded out. Everything is done on this project. All that remains is to put our fittings in here to attach some water. Move it out into the other bay, of course, and give this thing a test run, see how she goes. I will shoot a bit of video of that and add it on the end of this one.
Good morning.
You haven't got room in here to put a motor room in.
Boy, isn't I? How you doing?
Not bad, strong you.
All right, you know.
Okay, give her.
Alright, I'm gonna test out Mr. Chiblett's creation.
See what we can do with it.
Yeah, like it's a bit tight on the wrist sometimes. Skinnamarink-a dinky dink, skinnamarink-a doo. I love you. Yeah!
Well, we'll edit that out.
Bam! Done.
You're crazy. Okay, so let's put in some Teflon. And we can put our, stay in there. Anybody get brain lock when you're at this? I know I do.